Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to take status page on your Kyocera 2040 or 2640. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, you can see here system menu counter button on your left hand side. Just press one time. After that, you can see here report. You have to just click on the report, third option. Click on the report. After that, you can see here report print. Select that option. In this you will find status page. You have to just click on that status page. Then click on yes. After that, all your printer details, serial number, how many printed pages, and with date and time, all the details will come in this status page. That's it guys. So in this way you can take status page of your Kyocera 2040 or 2640. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.